never, never, never know what the hell is going on. Tell me who got better flow. I'm staying and I'll never go.
Looks like we're finna be here for a while, baby, cause ain't nobody got better flow than you. You the hottest thing around, baby. Caleb Mack don't know nothing about you. Let's go, Joker. We got one more verse to show 'em what you got, baby. Send it out to the DJ. Be easy, let's go.
Alright, the girls all screaming like when Obama was elected. If girls are a disease, then I must be infected. Ha, affected, never been rejected. Girls say you got flaws, but I am perfected. Rhymes never sloppy, rappers wanna top it. Style so clean, Jay-Z wanna drop me. What does it take for these rappers not to hate? Been stuck to the game like I made a scotch tape. I don't mean to get you mad, I'm just trying to state the truth. I'm attacking all of you like I'm working for the truth. I don't mean to hurt you, dude, but I'm your boss now. All you haters stay back, cause it's finna go down. Man, I hop about the ride, anybody know me. I stay high above this game till I'm about to OD. Now call me the Joker, but this ain't no joke.